Hi, I'm Naod.
And I'm Ruth, and we've been learning to cook at the Skokie Public Library through the Be the Chef program.
Today we are going to learn about measuring cups used for cooking.
Lots of people don't realize that there's a difference between a dry measuring cup, like this, and a liquid measuring cup, but it actually makes a difference.
Dry measuring cups are great for flour, sugar, and any other dry ingredients your recipe calls for. The best way to measure it is to dip in your cup, pull out more than you need, then level off with a knife, a spatula, or another flat utensil. This way you can be sure that you are getting the exact right amount.
Liquid measures have a little extra room at the top and a spout to make pouring easy. Filling your dry measuring cup to the tippy top with liquid is just asking for a spill. The best way to measure a liquid ingredient is to set your measuring cup on a counter or some other flat surface. Then slowly pour your ingredient in, keeping an eye on the line you want. The spout will help you pour without spilling. Easy peasy.
So that's how you measure both liquid and dry ingredients. Thanks for watching!
And happy cooking!